It flies higher than commercial airliners. It sees everything, and yet it has no pilot. This is the silent watcher of the skies, the RQ4 Global Hawk, untouchable, invisible, unstoppable. But then something shocking happened. Was the RQ4b Global Hawk actually shot down? For years, the RQ4 Global Hawk operated above danger, too high for most missiles, too advanced to be tracked easily. It was considered nearly untouchable. The RQ4b variant is equipped with powerful surveillance systems, long endurance, advanced sensors, and a highly efficient engine designed for high-altitude flight. In modern warfare, intelligence is power, and the Global Hawk provides real-time battlefield awareness, tracking movements, monitoring threats, collecting critical data. Despite its altitude advantage, the RQ4 Global Hawk is not invisible. Advanced air defense systems can detect high-altitude targets. And in 2019, everything changed. Reports emerged. A Global Hawk drone was destroyed, allegedly shot down over contested airspace. The world watched. Tensions escalated. At the heart of the Global Hawk is its engine, designed for efficiency, optimized for high altitude, allowing long endurance missions. The drone's altitude gave it an advantage, but modern missiles are faster, smarter, more precise, and they can reach extreme heights. Yes, a RQ4b Global Hawk was reportedly shot down, but not because it was weak, because the battlefield had evolved. The truth is, even the most advanced drones are vulnerable when facing modern integrated air defense systems. The Global Hawk remains one of the most powerful surveillance platforms. Its loss didn't end its dominance. It proved something bigger. No system is invincible. Future drones will evolve. Stealthier, smarter, more autonomous, but the risks will remain. The RQ4 Global Hawk continues to operate worldwide, gathering intelligence at unmatched altitudes. One drone, one incident, a global message. If you want to uncover more hidden stories behind military technology and aerial warfare, subscribe now to Supersonic News. Because the next secret we reveal might change everything you think you know about modern war.